The Tools menu in the Writer's Toolbox opens up a powerful set of writing helps. From the main dashboard, select Write. Choose your writer. Preset tools automatically appear relevant to each writer, and using the Tools menu, you can switch these on or off, adding other tools at will. When you're done, click off the menu. All the tools can be minimized or closed. To reopen, activate from the Tools menu. Let's look at the tools individually. The Task tool is activated by a teacher and gives instructions on a particular task. Paragraph Styles offers a useful overview of each paragraph style and includes examples differentiated to the user. You can watch videos on how to write the various paragraph styles and at any time return to the main grid menu. Sentence Styles works in a similar fashion to paragraph styles. You can investigate different sentence styles to improve your writing, see examples by published authors, and watch explanatory videos. The Images tool offers a useful repository for any images you require. Simply drag and drop into the tool, and from the tool to your writing. Any image in the tool can be expanded. And if a teacher has set a task, relevant images will already be contained in this tool. Keywords are also created by a teacher, who will add useful words and phrases to help you craft a particular task. To use a keyword from the list, just select it, and the word or phrase will drop straight into your writing. Keeping track of keywords is easy. The background will go darker once they are typed. Checklists are also added by a teacher, who will put in any useful reminders or essential things they want you to remember as you undertake your work. Likewise, if your teacher has set a word limit for a task, the Word Counter tool appears to guide you towards a perfect finish. The Thesaurus tool helps to build vocabulary. Highlight the word you want to improve in your text, and the Thesaurus searches for other options. When you see a word you like, click on it, and it immediately replaces the main text. Sentence Spinner is a bit of fun. Hit Spin, then click the chosen sentence style. The Sentence Style tool automatically matches to help you write that sentence. If you suffer from overly long or short sentences, average sentence length is a useful gauge to keep you on track. Hot tips change according to the writer you're working in, but clicking the drop-down reveals a list of useful explanations, examples, and suggestions to improve your writing. You can open as many as you wish and move these, along with all your tools, around your desktop. So, strap on your tool belt and off you go.